Hello, my beautiful friends, and welcome back to Healthy Kitchen Wizard. Today is extra special because it's my birthday. And you know what? Instead of waiting for someone else to bake me a cake, I decided to celebrate myself with a rich, velvety chocolate cake topped with a silky ganache. This is self-love in cake form, my friends. And yes, I'm filming it because if you bake a birthday cake alone and don't share it with your YouTube family, it's like it didn't even happen, right? So let's go. Okay, so we have 1 stick of butter that we're gonna put in here. Now, let me take a moment and show you my ingredients. I have the butter in here. I have flour, sugar, eggs, vanilla, and chocolate syrup. The ingredients are gonna be on the bottom. All you have to do is hit more and you'll see all the ingredients. And you know what's coming next. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So let me show you. I have 2 baking pans that I greased, and I have parchment paper on the bottom. So we'll set these over here. And the oven is preheating at 350 degrees. So let's get started. So we're gonna put the sugar in here. And we're gonna beat that until it's fluffy. Okay, let's add the vanilla. Add the eggs one at a time. Here goes the chocolate syrup. flour. Okay, in the oven it goes, and the oven is preheating at 325 for about 30 minutes, depending on your oven. Okay, our cake is out of the oven and it's cooling, so we're gonna make the ganache. So I have a double broiler oven thingy going on here, and we're gonna add half a cup of heavy cream. And again, the recipe will be on the bottom, so we have our 2 cups of chocolate here. And some coffee grounds. That makes it nice and rich. You just have to stir this up like that. Keep stirring until it's all, ooh, that smells good.
I think it was my birthday with all this chocolate.
Mm-hmm. That coffee grounds makes it so rich. Oh.
I see what you mean about silky.
Yep.
Wow.
We're gonna put a little bit in here, and the rest we'll put on the top. Okay. Ouch, that's hot.
Go.
And here's my birthday chocolate cake. It's moist, rich, and decadent, and made with so much joy. Thank you for celebrating with me. If you try this recipe, please let me know in the comments and send me a slice in spirit.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jeannie. Happy birthday to you. All right. Congratulations and happy birthday, darling.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay. There we go.
Lovely.
That looks wonderful. So let's give it a try.
Looks yummy.
That is so good. Oh my goodness. That those coffee crystals in there just gave it such a beautiful, beautiful taste. Thank you all so very much for celebrating my birthday with me. And we'll see you in the next delicious episode. Thank you. Bye.